Hi, kamusta po? Si Rowena Nagalan po ito. Nandito kami sa Burbank Wine Walk and we are showcasing Justice for Sharon booth. And this is a story that we are passionately sharing with everyone about Sharon Santos. She's a Burbank resident who was murdered in and we are pursuing justice for her. We're keeping her memory alive and making sure that we are continuing to fight for justice. Kailangan po namin yung tulong ninyo. Kung pwede pong mag-donate, whatever you can give, we truly appreciate. So if you could follow us on Instagram, Justice for Sharon. And this is really for a good cause because we are trying to fight for a legislative bill in order to have background checks for all employees in apartment complexes. And as you know, we need the funding. Legislative bills take time, effort, and money. So whatever you can give, we would truly appreciate. Maraming salamat po.